Like, we can't be out here on our own. We need somebody monitoring us.
Is it?
Well, that's why he's coming back. Why else would he come back?
Let's go in. Now it's pajama time.
Coastline around the island, and then hopping over to Faroe Island, where they're trying to file the flight plan here.
Sure, if they feel pretty responsive. Right here.
Do we have to change the tower or not?
Yeah.
Okay, we're on 01, holding short of 01 for Echo Kilo. Kilo 5, Kilo Tosh. Go ahead. Check the ceiling in over Reykjavik is about 200 feet, so how are you planning to fly to Iceland? So we're going to be flying coastline at under the clouds for Echo Kilo. 121.1, and we're looking like we might change the plans. We've got a nice big open patch of blue sky. We might go direct here to Bravo India Echo Golf. So we're going to try direct for now, and then might join up with the coastline in a little while. So we're going to start.
And the countryside here is just so diverse and amazing. Just all from crazy volcanic ash, or not ash, activity.
Well, this part, guys, don't just forget, okay? It was not ash, okay? Make sure it's just vapor. But Misha wants to make it really tense. It's ash coming out. It's flames.
Look at all the steam from the from all the hot water. I can't even think now. Oh my goodness.
I'm going to open my spa here.
Yeah.
And by the way, let's make this announcement to everybody.
Okay.
Who's going to watch us.
Oh,
So-
you're gonna make it official.
I'm going to be official.
He is making it official, you guys. This is becoming official right now.
There's a project going on. We're going to open. This is not. This is serious, guys. Okay. We're
serious.
opening up a spa, one of a kind.
Show them right there.
Right there,
It
like a
looks
spot like that. Okay.
right there.
And it's going to be called. I can't say. Can I say the name?
Don't say that.
Not yet. Okay, we don't say. But it's related to the type of terrain that we see here.
The most important detail of this whole story is that Ruben has given me a free life pass to go there.
That's true. Right
That is
now,
the most
that's
important
official.
part of the story.
Michigan,
I'm gonna come to Iceland
Give me
all
your
the
hand.
time. Okay.
There's a contract
Shake
giving that here, okay?
Shake hands.
I'm giving Michigan a lifetime pass to our spa, and Iceland's going to open in about 18 to 24 months.
Put it right here.
Wow.
That's a sweet deal. Oh man. Look at that.
It's a brownie.
Oh, it's a brownie.
It's a brownie.
I know that's a very technical term.
It's nice. Beautiful platform.
Non-slippery to walk somewhere, 1 minute to walk back.
Yeah, we don't have much time.
So guys, we landed here at the top of a mountain side in Iceland, and I can't believe this, but the ground is warm. I touch it and it's warm. It's so cool. And there's ice all around me. This is a crazy country. I love this place.
You can just be really careful of this cap. Yeah, just don't be putting it.
beautiful. I'll be back. You've been wonderful. Thank you. There's a nice little town down there.
Iceland é lindíssimo. Já estive aqui.
A picture. Wow.
Quick, Misha, go.
Wait, and they keeps going. Look at
Look at this, Misha. What is this? Out of this world?
This is out of this world, man.
Keep another 2-3 minutes. It's that way, but I'm gonna. You guys take pictures there.
I'm just
What
videoing.
is this? This is a little bit sick. Diogo, look at the water. Can you film the water?
That was fantastic.
That's amazing, man. Look at that.
That is so incredible, man.
Dramatic.
Nobody gets to see that unless you're on a boat.
About the conference tonight. Can't wait to go.
It's right here. The hotel is this one right here.
Oh yeah, it is this one. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, Faroe. So this is a amazing hotel. Is it a five-star hotel? It's a 5-star hotel.
It's a 4-star with 5-star conference. It's really nice, huh?
Hello. Hello. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Excellent.
The lady that you have originally gotten.
I can't believe this, but Misha is gonna finish the sandwich before me.
Oh, I must be super hungry.
This left? My dad's, yeah, he's gonna win today. How many minutes do we have until the conference?
Like 7, probably. 12? So, oh, we have all kinds of time. Let's just slow down.
Yeah, relax.
Now we go.
It's like a 5-minute walk.
No, it's not.
No? 10 minute?
You have to find where it is.
There's Etta. Circus. Yeah. Yeah. Voilà. Now I see the boats. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Diogo. Nice to meet you. All right.
making a rest of the world, they say.
The second largest sail ship in the world?
Yes.
Oh man.
And people are visiting it right now.
Other pictures. Wow.
You look so young there.
Yeah.